So welcome back to my channel, guys. Today in this video we're going to be learning how to do the slap. So this trick is used between blocking variations, which makes it look very beautiful and stylish. So there's only 3 steps to do this. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Step number 1, the placement. Place the ball between your feet. Make sure the ball is slightly elevated above the ground so that the ball doesn't touch the ground. So step number 2, bring your strong foot around your weak foot with the ball. So try to make this same motion as shown in the video and try to replicate that. So step number 3, push the strong foot towards the weak foot now and then try to slap the ball by dragging your strong foot into your weak foot. Make sure you have good distance when you turn the ball. Doing so, you can elevate the ball, which actually starts spinning. So this is a bit an intermediate trick. So this takes a little bit of practice and time to do it. So make sure you keep training regularly. So until the next video, is Prashanth Balaji signing off. Peace.